From carbon fiber art to V12 Thunder. Witness the birth of the Pagani Utopia Roadster.
Welcome to the Atelier of Dreams, San Cesario. Nestled in the heart of Italy's Motor Valley.
The process begins with raw carbon fiber.
Laser precision cuts the composite sheets.
And laying layers for the carbo-titanium chassis. Intense pressure bonds the structure. Aluminum body panels are sculpted by machine. The autoclave cures the composite into stone.
Excess material is trimmed to millimetric accuracy.
Even hinges are machined from solid blocks. Suspension components double as art pieces. Panels are prepared for assembly. The foundation moves to a structural marriage. Structural elements are married to the tub. The iconic front end takes shape. Robotic assistance aids human precision. The naked skeleton, pure form and function. Hand sanding ensures aerodynamic perfection. Next, the surface transformation begins. Chemical baths protect the materials from corrosion.
A uniform base is established.
Ground coat prepares the canvas for color.
The iconic mica blue is applied.
Metallic flakes catch the light for depth.
High heat bakes the finish to durability.
Hand sanding between layers removes imperfections. The final clear coat creates the mirror finish. Leather and aluminum merge in the cockpit. Every stitch is sewn by master artisans. Analog gauges provide a tactile connection. The glass canopy is sealed. The rolling chassis awaits its body. The moment of truth. Body meets chassis. Precision alignment ensures a perfect fit. Structural bolts are torqued to spec. Power transfer is connected.
The signature aero disc wheels are mounted.
the final badge of identity. Golden lubricant enters the V12.
Coolant systems are charged.
The doors are aligned and hung. The distinctive circular lights are installed. The front clamshell locks into place. Final fluid top-offs.
First start. The V12 awakens.
Electronics and systems come online.
It moves under its own power.
Now, the rigorous validation phase.
Dynamometer testing measures power output.
Exhaust temperatures and emissions are checked.
The monsoon test checks for leaks.
Paint and seals withstand the deluge. Laser scanning verifies panel alignment.
Suspension compliance is tested.
Braking performance is validated.
The final visual sign-off. The masterpiece is complete.
Leaving the atelier.
Hitting the open road. Hugging the curves with precision. Lightning-fast gear changes. A symphony in a tunnel. Beauty in motion by the sea. Active aerodynamics adjust on the fly. Contrast between history and future. Open-top freedom defines the Roadster.
Golden hour enhances the curves.
Illuminating the night. The V12 visible through the glass.
Finishing touches on the exhaust.
Hand-stitched leather details.
Tactile metal switches. Safety meets style. Approaching the limiter.
Grip the carbon fiber wheel.
modern infotainment integration. Sure-footed in the wet. Dispersing water efficiently. Resting in the garage.
Protecting the investment. The key to the utopia.
Ready for delivery.
Heading to a new owner.
From carbon dust to Road King. Signed by the creator.
A unique serial number.
Brutal acceleration.
Efficient cruising capability.
Overtaking with ease.
Natural beauty meets mechanical beauty. Seasons change. Legend remains. King of the mountain.
Winter testing proves durability.
Restoring the mirror finish.
Interior is kept pristine. Conditioning the leather maintains softness.
Tires shine like new.
Showroom ready. Crowds gather to admire.
Inspiring the next generation.
The crowd pleaser.
Revealing the engine to the public.
A popular photo subject.
Award-winning design.
Leaving the event in style. Nightlife in the city.
Neon lights paint the curves.
A quiet moment in the city. Crossing the bridge.
Into the mystery.
Standing out among peers.
Elegance in motion.
A solid, luxurious thud. refueling for the next journey.
High octane only.
Checking the vital fluids.
Oil levels look perfect.
Braking fluid is clear. Coolant system is healthy.
Heartbeat of the electronics.
Breathing clean air. Belts are in good condition.
A final inspection.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more.
See you next time.